Hey, what's up, guys? Thomas Alpha Doc here with the one thing you're doing wrong with the swing that's going to hurt that lower back. I see so many people doing it, and I bet you're doing it wrong as well. Stop doing this. Stop swinging this way, and I'm going to show you how to fix that with this one tip. All right, my number one tip on how to fix your kettlebell swing. All right, so, well, first off, what is that wrong thing you're doing? All right, well, that wrong thing is you're hinging too soon. You're hinging too soon. You're not waiting for that bell to come down, your forearms to meet right by your sides before you hinge. Think of it this way, all right? You have an imaginary triangle between your knees and your pelvis, right here, all right? You want the bell coming right in to that triangle every single time you swing, all right? How do you do that? You wait for that bell, you enjoy the float, let your forearms, right as they start to touch your sides, you hinge in, and the bell should come right in that triangle. That's going to keep your lower back safe. That's going to load the bell on your hips, your core. You're going to brace that bell the way you should, and not in your lower back. All right? So, how do you fix that? Okay, my number one tip here is grab a roller. So, grab a roller, travel roller about 2 feet long. All right, you're going to flip it upside down. All right, of course, you're going to have a kettlebell. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to practice my swings. And if the bell goes too low, it's going to knock the roller over. It's going to give you constant feedback. If you do that right, you're going to go nicely above the roller. It's not going to fall over. All right, that's the feedback. This is a perfect tip. This is one of the tips that I learned when I was first doing the kettlebell swings. All right, when I was first learning how to swing, this was it. All right, so pick up the bell so that you want the roller about right by your toes, bell right behind it, stand it up tall. And so you're going to just start rocking with the bell back and forth until you get into a nice swing rhythm. All right, so hips forward, just like you would a swing. And if you notice, I'm not knocking the roller down because that bell's coming between or inside that triangle. That's the proper swing. This is what happens when you do it wrong, all right? You knock the bell, you knock the roller over, all right? That's why this is an excellent tip to give you constant feedback with yourself. Am I hinging too soon, or am I hinging at the right time? All right, so again, practice this. Grab that roller, get a roller, all right? Amazon, 10 bucks, I don't know how much this costs. 10, 20 bucks, grab it. It's going to give you good feedback. And of course, you could use it to roll out and do your hip bridges on the ground. Anyway, that's another story. So let me show you what this looks like from the side. So it's called the original body roller. The original body roller, right? Just grab it today. You get it in a few days. All right, so from the side, you have the roller here by your toes. Of course, you have the bell here. You can lift it up. And you're just going to start rocking, all right? That's it. You just get into that nice smooth rhythm, swing rhythm. Hips. Again, if you're doing it right, you're not knocking the roller over. Right? Boom, excellent, you got it down. If not, again, you knock the roller over, all right? Excellent feedback. You can practice this by yourself. You know, get that swing down, guys. I want you to get this swing down. The swing got so many amazing benefits: fat burning, strength building, total body development, athletic building. It's an athletic builder. It's excellent movement, but you have to do it right. That's why I'm showing you this tip video, all right? I have another full video on how to do the two-arm swing. Check that out after this, but add this technique tip to that video if you haven't seen that yet. But practice this tip today. Practice, do it over and over and over. Grab your roller if you don't have a roller. Get it from Amazon. It'll take about 1 to 2 days to get there. And practice this, guys. This is an excellent tip. Again, like I said, to help you get that swing down. All right. Instead of just wondering, am I doing it right? Am I hinging too soon? You don't want to get feedback from your lower back that it's hurting. You don't want to do it wrong. You want to get that feedback right away, constantly. So you can adjust that and you can change it. Fix what's not working and do what's working, all right? So that's my video for today, guys, how to fix your kettlebell swing by stop swinging the wrong way, hinging too soon below that triangle, and instead grab a roller, grab a bell, practice this drill, and get better at your kettlebell swings so you can do safe, effective, explosive, and awesome kettlebell swings, guys. Again, thanks for watching this video. If you like this, let me know. If you have any comments, give me in the comments below. If you have any questions about your swing, your technique, or anything, you need some feedback, let me know in the comments below. We can go from there. If you haven't seen my 2-arm swing video that I made, how to do the 2-arm kettlebell swing, check that out here. And if you want a 5-minute full body kettlebell finisher, you can finish any workout with one kettlebell. Check that out in the description. Pick that up. All right. Until then, guys, train safe, train strong, expect success, keep swinging, get after it, and go for it. See you guys in the next video.